How to change currency in your Trust Wallet app. Okay, so first of all, you will have to download your Trust Wallet app. So if you don't know what this is basically a crypto trading app. So you can download it from the Play Store, and once you've downloaded it, you can log into your account, or if you don't have one, you can just sign up. And after you make your account or log into your account, this will be your home page right here. And before you start, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's get started. So to change the currency, what you can do is once you're on your home screen, click on the setting at the top left right here. And then you can scroll down and you can see the preferences option right here. Just click on it, and at the very first you can see the currency right now is on US dollars. So if I want to change this to euros, I can click on euros, and now if I go back, as you can see, the currency has now been changed to euros. If you want to change it to any other, you just do the same thing, and as you can see, there are many options here, so you can choose from any one of them. So if I want to change it to British pound, I just go here, click on it, and if I go back, now the currency is changed to British pounds. And that's how you can easily change your currency in your Trust wallet. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.